of those mages up in Winterhold have been trying to figure out where that
Sorry about that, horse. So this other area, I mean, where exactly, I mean, is it right exactly down the mountainside? I wonder if it's in the, under, or behind the waterfall. Yeah, there it is. It's right there by the waterfall.
A brave knight or a turtle.
Okay, so I can't get the horse down there that way. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna do this? Okay. So yeah, it's right here. Right here by the cliffs, by the waterfall. Right behind the waterfall. Very tricky.